Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and today we are doing DIY brow extensions. Brow extensions are a thing. I don't know why they're not more of a thing because I am legit mind blown. I haven't had like natural, bushy, beautiful, full brows in like a zillion years. I plucked them super thin when I was a teenager, and I feel like I've been trying to grow them back ever since. They're just like super patchy, and this one's way thinner than this one, and the inner parts, just the hairs just won't grow back. It's super frustrating. And you can do microblading, you can pencil them in, you can do all kinds of things to try to get your brows back, but you can always tell when you're like up close. You can see like powder or makeup, or it's just not the same as actual 3D hairs. So today we are doing brow extensions. They're similar to lash extensions, super cheap, super easy, totally fab on a budget. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. Okay, so to get the faux brow extension, we're actually using fake eyelashes. I know, like, duh, but who would have ever thought of that, right? Since I'm blonde, I have lighter brows, so I'm getting brown fake eyelashes. I couldn't find them in the store, so I just bought some online. As always, I'll leave a link to everything I use down below. So you're going to want to start by making sure you wash off all your makeup. You want a bare face with no oils on your brows. Then just go ahead and cut the little hairs right off of the fake lashes, right at the lash line, and these are going to be the little hairs that we're going to attach as fake brows. Then just pick them up one at a time with your tweezers and dip them right into the lash glue, making sure not to put too much glue. You just want a little bit. And you're just going to attach them right to the base of your natural brows to fill in any gaps or create fullness wherever you want a fuller brow. And just go ahead and go nuts and just create the desired shape that you're looking for. And I definitely recommend using a magnified mirror. This really helps because you're getting up close and personal here. You can definitely pour a little bit of the glue onto like a little piece of foil or a little container and work in small batches. I just feel like the glue dries out really fast. So dipping straight from the bottle, I find that it just wastes less glue this way, so you use less of it. And just make sure to go in with a spoolie to brush your brows out every once in a while to make sure that all the hairs are going in the right direction, they're in the right place, you don't have any wild ones pointing any weird directions. And you want to make sure to follow the direction of your natural brow, so more pointing outward towards your ear for the body and the tail of the brow, and more pointing upward towards the inner end of your brow that's closest to the inner corner of your eye. And you can pull apart your brows anywhere there's like little hairs missing, and just go ahead and add them in between to create a fuller look. Quick little disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a certified brow technician. This is just what I do on myself at home, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It's really close to your eyes, so you have to be really careful and just be really safe if you do try it at home. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot get over how cool these are. This is crazy. I haven't seen myself with like real full brows in ages. I die. This is amazing. Since you guys know I love me some glam on a budget, I had to share this with you. And at the end, I'll do a little Q&A on how to care for them and how long they last and all that jazz. But if you guys give these brow extensions a try, be sure to go follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see how your brows turned out. Okay, we'll do a little Q&A now, and be sure to share this video with somebody who you know would totally flip over this whole brow extension idea. It took me about 30 minutes per brow to get a full effect. Obviously, the more you do it, the faster you'll get and the easier it'll be. It's a little tedious, like gluing on one by one by one by one, but it's kind of just like therapeutic, and you just kind of get in a zone. You can do it in front of the TV or listen to music or something to keep you occupied. Okay, after you're done, just make sure you don't wash your face or get your brows wet right away, because you really want the glue to have a chance to set so those hairs are hanging on in there. As far as makeup, you can do all your regular makeup routine. You can add makeup over it and pencil them in if you need. You really don't need to, but if you really want that bold brow, you can definitely add makeup to it. Just make sure when you're washing your face or using makeup remover, it's oil free because the oil will break down the glue and they won't last as long. I usually just use those makeup wipes when I have lash or brow extensions on, so I'm not like messing with them and pulling them off accidentally. These lasted me about a week. A few of them will fall out here and there, but you can just glue them back on one by one if you want, so you don't have any sparse areas or bald spots anywhere, so you always have just like a perfect full brow. When they're ready to come off, I just used eyelash remover, and you just let it kind of soak in there. It breaks down the glue, and then they just kind of slide right off. Or you can just let them fall out naturally. But I want to know, do you get your eyebrows done? Like, do you get them waxed or plucked or threaded professionally, or do you do it yourself at home? I've actually never gotten my eyebrows waxed or threaded or done professionally at a salon. I've always just like tweezed them on my own, which is probably why I messed them up when I was a teenager. But yeah, I've never gone to get them done. So leave me a comment down below letting me know if you get your brows done or not. And if you guys liked this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it, and go check out my DIY eyelash extension video, because if you liked this one, you're gonna love that one. It's like my holy grail fave DIY ever. Alright, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Am I doing it? It's like my one hidden talent. I am so sorry if no one ever told you you could DIY your own eyebrow extensions. You guys, you're gonna be mind blown. Check out today's YouTube video on my channel for the full tutorial. So cool.